Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. It's Candice Castner here, and today we're diving into a last minute issue that's been dropped on all of us business owners. The Fifth Circuit Appeals Court has reinstated beneficial ownership information, or the BOI reporting requirement. And guess what? The deadline is December 31st. With Christmas and New Year's right around the corner, the timing could not be worse. I don't know about you, but I have very minimal days on my calendar for these next 2 weeks. But don't worry, I'm going to break this down, what's happening, what you need to know, and how to handle this curveball from the courts. First off, what is BOI reporting? It's part of the Corporate Transparency Act. It's a federal law that's made to help prevent money laundering. And this is for all of us business owners. And the unfortunate part, like we all know that if you're if you're laundering money, you're not going to be reporting this anyway. But what it's going to do is, Benson, they're going to be able to go in and see everyone that's reported. Those that have reported, they're going to know, okay, well, these people we know who own it. So they're going to start looking at the people who didn't report. So while this is meant to promote transparency, the timing is anything but helpful right now. With the last minute reinstatement by the courts, we have very limited time to act, especially at the busiest time of the year for us, Christmas, New Year's. I'm sure you guys are all trying to stay home and enjoy time with your family. Let's talk about how we got here. The BOI reporting requirement was temporarily blocked earlier this year, but now the Fifth Circuit Appeals Court has reinstated it in just days before the new year. That means if you're a business owner, you are required to file. You have until December 31st to comply. Yes, the courts decided to drop this on small business owners, even in the 11th hour, right in the middle of the holidays. That means if you're a business owner, you're required to file. So, who's affected by this? If you have an LLC, an S corporation, a C corporation, a B corporation, any similar entity registered in the US, you're likely required to file. Here's what you need to know though. What you need to gather is your company's name and address, your full name, birth date, address, anyone who owns or controls at least 25% of your business, a government issued ID for each beneficial owner. That means everyone on over 25%, your company's EIN number, and your state issued articles. So some businesses like publicly traded companies and banks are exempt, but most businesses will need to file. If you're unsure whether this applies to you, make sure to consult your CPA, enrolled agent, attorney, anyone. Just contact them immediately, but make sure that they are a reliable source. Nobody wants to start 2025 with financial or legal issues. And let's be honest, handling this on top of last minute shopping and year end tasks, it is frustrating, but it is so critical. Here's what you can do right now to make sure that you're compliant come December 31st. Make sure to identify all the beneficial owners in your company, gather all the ID numbers that we went over, work with your tax or legal professional to confirm the filing requirement, and then file it just as soon as possible. The courts may have blindsided us with this decision, but it is not worth the risk and all the penalties by just ignoring it. I know this isn't the update that you wanted to hear right before the holidays, but unfortunately, the courts had other priorities. Compliance is now top priority for small business owners, even if it means pausing the holiday festivities, which I've got to say, we did have a few days planned to have off this year, but it looks like our office is going to be in full swing getting all of your BOI reports done as soon as possible. If you need assistance filing your BOI, go over to bbsi.tax/BOI or just click the link below. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with fellow business owners who might not know about this, and make sure to subscribe for any updates. If you're still unsure about what's required, drop your questions below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas, and let's tackle this challenge together before the New Year's.